As humans, we are naturally attracted to the unknown. Space is no exception, and attempts to gain knowledge about it have proven futile until modern times, when the boom in technology also influenced astronomy. There are many different types of technology that were developed that aid in exploring space, such as space shuttles, space stations, space probes, and telescopes. Let's explore these fascinating devices. Space shuttles are reusable spacecraft that can launch people and equipment into space. They are launched with solid rocket boosters that hurl it into space at almost 18,000 miles per hour, 9 times as fast as the average rifle bullet. To re-enter the atmosphere, the soft aluminum skin is protected with silica tiles. These are so poor heat conductors that you can hold a red-hot one with your bare hands. Once the space shuttle is launched into space, one of the tasks it completes is to equip the space station with fresh clothes and supplies. Space stations allow astronauts to stay a long period of time in space to conduct experiments. It is powered with solar panels and all the water is reused. Yes, even urine. One example of a space station is the ISS, maintained by several world powers. In addition to space stations, there are other artificial satellites orbiting Earth. These provide internet, cell phone connections, and GPS access worldwide. They are also used for research purposes such as predicting the weather forecast. But enough talk about the Earth. Technology is also used to visit other planets. One such piece of equipment is known as a space probe, which is an unmanned spacecraft that travels to other planets to collect data. Some even bring rovers that land on the planet to collect rock samples and conduct in-depth examinations. You may be thinking, but what about the rest of the universe? There's more than the Earth, you know. Indeed, there are equipment to perform that task, Anonymous Inquirer, and they are known as telescopes. There are several different types of telescopes that allow us to see vast distances in the universe. There are reflective telescopes, refractive telescopes, and radio telescopes. They all revolve around one central idea, that light, or in the radio telescope's case, radio waves, are focused using a curved surface. You may observe that many telescopes are located in space or at high altitudes, and it is situated there so Earth's atmosphere doesn't interfere with the waves. One telescope you may have heard of is called the Hubble telescope, named after the famous astronomer, which is a reflective telescope. With this instrument, astronomers can view outer space with visible, infrared, and ultraviolet light. Also, as a matter of fact, a building containing one or more telescopes is called an observatory.